So can we start? Already 7 o'clock.
Yeah, we can start at 7.
Yeah. So good evening, everyone. I hope everyone is, am I audible and visible to everyone?
Yes, I can see you. I can hear you.
Yes, sir.
I can see we have Navneet here and we have Abhishek. To everyone, am I audible, visible? You can answer. Definitely, you can unmute yourself and answer.
Yes, you're audible.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can hear.
Yes. So today we have this orientation session, and I'll take you through how the course is going to be, and who will be your instructors, what will be the devices you will be needing, and what kind of structure will be. Okay, so let us start. So please share the screen. Yes. So welcome to AI Infinity program to all of you. And this is your artificial intelligence journey where we are starting today, and you all are starting your AI journey today. Okay. And please be very, very conscious about all this, that the course is not going to be just another course where you will be in this mute mode and video off mode. No, this is a serious session where you will have hands-on working. So I would request everyone to, if you are at a comfortable position, please switch on your video as well as audio, because I'll be talking to you and you have to answer. Okay. I expect almost all of you to switch on your video as well as audio. You should not be in your washroom. Okay, definitely. You're comfortable switching on your video? Hello, Mr. Navneet, Pranav, Amar. Okay. And who else are available? You can answer, no problem. You can speak up. Then only we'll go to the next session. Yes. We have few people who have switched on their video. Fine. Nice. Navneet.
Yes, sir.
You are at a good location. You have to switch on the video because I want to see that what your reactions are. Okay. That's very important. Because I'll take you through, and that is very important that you have to communicate through your video as well as audio. Because this is going to be an interactive session. Okay. Like how we do it in class. That's the important part. Okay. I hope I'm clear. Everyone, you can give thumbs up. Bolo. Yeah.
Clear, all clear.
Okay, done. Fine. So let us proceed further. This is your artificial intelligence journey where we are starting. Why Zenwave? First, I will talk about Zenwave. Why Zenwave? So I have discussed in a video also, and now I'm going to tell you personally that why we have started this Zenwave. See, we have been seeing a lot of gap, okay, between normal engineering and the real industry experience. Okay. See, from your understanding or from my understanding, you might have been having a lot of classmates. I have taught a lot of students who went to engineering and who went to MBBS. Okay, there were two directions. People went to MBBS, people went to engineering. Where is the difference? 5.5 year MBBS people, they become a doctor and they are directly placed in a hospital. Why? Because from the first day of their MBBS, they start going to hospital and they start working. That's very important. Now, in engineering, what we do, we just keep on going through books and labs and all. We don't work. We don't work close to the industry. So there is the difference coming. And after 4 years, they ask that whether you have some experience or not. The industry asks that whether you have some experience, because I want someone who can start working from today. Okay. So here that gap has to be changed and that gap has to be bridged. Now, what we are doing is we are trying to assist you to get some industrial experience to start working during your engineering program. That's very important. Okay. So why Zenwave? First of all, I would like to tell you what are our USPs. Okay. First is you will get paid internship. Definitely, if you perform really good, you will get highly paid internships also, because we will connect you to the industry people and their problem statements you will be working on. So they'll pay you on that. Another one, if you have a very good idea, your project is really very successful project, we will do startup seed funding. It can work as a full-fledged business, full-fledged startup. Another thing, industry capstone project. Yes. So as I told you, we will be taking problem statement from the industry and you will be working with those industry people on those problem statement, which can act as a capstone project. And because of that only you will get this internship. Another one is placement assistance. Yes, you will get placement assistance. Interview, to crack the interview, what all things are needed, you will get that assistance from Zenwave. And all type of placement assistance, we will connect you to different industries or different companies, MNCs and all that. Now, whatever placements and all available to us, everyone will get access to it, 100% access. Mock interviews, we will be conducting mock interviews for all of you, because you people are newcomer, you have never faced an interview. So from now onwards, you have to be well versed to crack any interview, whether it is internship interview, whether it is any MNC interview, whatever it may be, you should be capable of facing it. Now, alumni network. So all our alumni network, maybe IIT's people and the alumni network we will build with Zenwave. All this alumni network, we will give you access directly. You can communicate with each other. It will give you a community building. Now see, why I am able to do so many startup ventures, whether it is aerospace, AI, or maybe drone technology or education or whatever, because I have a very good and very strong community as well as very strong alumni network. I can go anywhere in this world and there will be some IIT Bombay guy available, or anywhere in India I have availability of people, or any work, any industry, I have someone whom I know. So that gives me an edge over all the people in businesses. That's why you can see at the age of 32, I have almost like done a lot of things. Now, Zenwave Club membership. What is the Zenwave Club membership? See, it is not just one course. Okay. So once you are an AI enthusiast, you have started working on AI and you have started deploying your projects and all, you will keep learning things. Learning is not a one-time thing. It keeps on going. Okay. Let's say you have finished your AI program, you are well placed and doing something. Okay. Now you want to learn something more. You can definitely come back, start doing this. You can come back to the alumni network and start building your own project. You want to develop some startup someday. Your club membership is always there. You can come back to us. I see we have already done 2 startup we have funded already, and 2 startup we are incubating already. One is called View System, that is a drone technology startup. Another one is Hello Doctor thing, that is also we are doing. Okay, that I am personally doing the mentoring of them, both of them, as well as we are also funding them in a proper manner so that the business goes in a proper manner and it is profitable also. Okay. Next. So what? Let's understand. So all of you see, there are 2 requirements of the course. You should be having a laptop as well as you should have a mobile phone. Why? Because we will be having an interactive session. There will be a lot of quiz going on. Okay. Now, just now, we have a quiz at this instant. Are you ready for it? Do you all have a mobile phone in your hand? Because there is a QR code going to come and you have to scan it and you have to answer. And you have to answer from your instinct. Okay, trust your instinct and you have to answer. What is this? Your gut feeling. What do you know about AI? That's it. Okay. There will be a question based on that and you have to answer. There will be few options. You have to select one option. Are you ready for it? Yeah. Tell me fast.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let's start. Yeah. So there will be a question. Just scan this QR code. Go to Mentimeter or just scan this QR code. That's more than enough. Or you can go to menti.com and put this code. That is also fine. Just scan, answer, yes. Okay, 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 okay. So two people think that, yes, AI can think like a human. What is the question? Do you think AI actually thinks and understand things the way human do? And two people have answered, yes, AI can think like human. No, AI works differently. Maybe I'm not sure. Okay, okay. 6 people have responded out of 7. 7th person is still waiting. Not responded. Okay. Out of 8 people. Okay, okay. All of you are able to scan and go to that menti.com. You're able to do that visualization of question. Yes, yes, yes. Many people have answered. Fine. Fine. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. 9 response. Fine. Okay. So 3 people think, yes, AI can think like human. But no, AI works differently. Maybe I'm not sure. Okay, okay. Okay, so let's go to our presentation again. Many people have answered differently. Let's see whether you are right or wrong or what is it. Let's understand. Okay. So go to the PPT. Let us see. What do you think you need to build AI? Okay. No, this we'll do later. You just go to the next one. Hello. Go to the PPT. Close this. You don't need to answer this. We will come to this. Don't worry. Next question will come next. Okay. So yeah, go to the next slide. See, let's understand what is the myth and reality of this AI. Okay. First, you need to understand AI does not think like a human. AI thinks and understand like a human is a myth. AI is actually brilliant mathematics, nothing else. AI predicts pattern. It's a predictive tool. Okay. It has no understanding, feelings, or consciousness. It's a brilliant maths, not a mind. See, understand this. AI is just a predictive structure. The second best thing, what you can think of that AI predicts. Like if I say, what is your, the word comes next is, what is your name? So AI will predict that. What is your name? That is the second best thing. It's a predictive tool and it is very good mathematics. It is a data science structure actually. Now, second myth what we have is you need a PhD and genius level maths to build AI. No, definitely not. Because now in today's world, modern tools let beginner ship real AI apps in weeks. Now see, you can build a full-fledged app in weeks. You don't need a huge amount of mathematics to do it today. The maths deepen as you go. As you go, more into this AI domain, you need more amount of mathematics because your curiosity will grow, your credentials will grow, your thought process will grow that how it is working. Then you may need to understand the little bit of mathematics behind, but you don't need this PhD level of maths definitely. But yes, basic maths we all know, so no problem because we are doing engineering and definitely basic maths we know. Another myth we have is AI will take everyone's job. No, definitely not. AI is changing the way jobs used to be. Okay, it is changing. It is not taking anyone's job. It is changing the job roles, as well as it will be creating a lot of jobs. AI changes the job more than it erases them. The real gap is people who can use AI versus people who can't. See, there will be huge amount of difference. A person who uses AI in their work and the person who doesn't use. So please remember that you are going to be the first kind. First kind is as in what? You are someone who will be using AI in their work. That's very important. You should be well versed with all type of AI tools as well as the depth of AI. What we are going to build in this course is the depth of your AI understanding. Okay, so whatever you have answered, how many people? I think 3-4 people said yes, AI thinks like a human being. No, it does not. So right answer is which one? Tell me. I think second is the right answer.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So let's proceed further. Now, how the course module will be, how your mentors and instructors will be. So see, we have divided this entire structure into 8 modules, and there will be course instructors, and I'll be always there. Don't worry. I'm not leaving you people until and unless you do good in your life. Okay. So let's understand that how the modules is going to be and who is going to be our instructor. So mentors we have not mentioned here because mentors will be assigned to project people. There will be a group of people, mentors will be assigned to them. Here we have mentioned the instructors. They can also act as your mentor if we assign the group to them. Now see, first module will be Python Foundation. See, this is the 8-hour course of Python Foundation. Python for data science is different, but Python Foundation is just coding on Python. We'll be doing from scratch. From the basic it will start, and Manasa madam will be doing it. She is a computer science faculty and she has been doing really great in the academia. So she is from academic background. She is also has a company of her own which she runs. Okay, so she will make you comfortable with Python and coding as much as possible, and you can be directly contacting your mentors. If you don't understand anything, any spec of it, please do it. Okay, now the second part will be data science with Python. There will be NIM, Panda, visualization, statistics, and essentials. That will be done by Shivam Mishra. If you might have attended our yesterday's webinar, that guest was Shivam Mishra. He is a AI consultant now and a data scientist from long time. So he will be discussing this data science with Python. Okay, so he will teach you how to clean the data and multiple different things, how to use this data in your AI journey. Third module will be machine learning basics. Okay, there you will be learning this ML. Okay, he's one of my friend. His name is Ritesh Chetri. He's from IIT Roorkee and he is great. Okay, he has been doing a lot of things in data science. So he will be teaching you this machine learning part. He is damn good. Okay, when it comes to the security system and AI consultancy and all, he is definitely extremely good. And fourth module will be NLP, definitely natural language processing, where you will be learning embedding and sentiment analysis and text processing. That will be also done by Ritesh Chetri. Then LLMs, that how GPT model works, how Claude works, how Gemini works, Llama, different types of, see, Chat GPT is the tool, it's a product, but GPT is the LLM, the model, LLM model, large language model on which Chat GPT is based is called GPT model. Like we have Claude Code, we have multiple different. Claude itself is a LLM. Okay. Similarly, Gemini is a LLM. Llama is for Meta, for Facebook, Meta. Meta's LLM is known as Llama. So all these LLM frameworks, LLM models, you will be understanding in large language models module, which will be done by Ritesh Chetri again. Then comes RAG. RAG is one of the most important aspect for today's industry because there is a lot of JDs. That JD means job description. There are a lot of job description coming which are asking for RAG experts. What is RAG? Basically, how you can chat with your data. There is a data given and you just ask question that what is wrong in this or what is right in this or where do I get this? Chat with your data comes from RAG. There you will be starting vector database, embedding and retrieval pipelines. RAG pipelines you will be learning a lot, and that will be done by Himanshu Saraf. He is also doing the deployment work. He is a very good deployment engineer of AI, and he is working in industry right now, and he's doing really great. These are highly paid people in their industries. After that comes LangChain, LangGraph. That is again LLM applications, how to make a chain, memory, agent, tools of LLM. So that is deployment. Whatever you have done till now, will you be able to deploy it as a tool? That will be done by Harsh Narwana. Again, he is the lead AI ML guy, and he is working in industry. Again, a very fantastic guy. Then finally, it comes to the deployment and MLOps. Okay, so deployment of AI app, best practices, and end-to-end AI architecture. The entire architecture from data science, whatever you have built till now, how do you make a architecture out of it? Okay, brick by brick, how do you make a house? In the similar manner, the deployment works. Okay, that will be done by one of my friends, that is Bharadwaj Narayanam. He'll be doing it, and he is again from the industry. He is a full-fledged deployment engineer. And this entire structure, in between, there will be multiple different projects, and the projects will have credits. Those credits will incorporate in your final certificate. These things should be used in your capstone project so that you can learn from it, and it will be directly from the industry so that you can build your capstone project the best. Okay. So I hope I am clear with this. Anyone has got any question in this part? In the module part? Pranav.
Sir, is it like
I'm not able to hear. Can you put it on chat box? Your voice is not clear. Please put it on chat box. Okay, go to next slide. Yes, so the projects will be group projects, work like a real world. See, I believe in team building. Okay, so if you are doing something bigger, you have to do it with a team. So there will be few people who will be your teammates who will be working with you on your project. Okay. And that is very, very important, because in companies, you will not be the alone person who will be working. You will be working with a team. So how do you work? Companies, how they build squads. Okay. Let me take this question of Pranav. Is it like, do we have to have some basic knowledge about these, as I am hearing all these for the first time? No. Don't worry about it. From the basics, Manasa madam will start. You just have to be very, very attentive and conscious. From basics it will start, and we will give you hand-holding support. Don't worry. If you are hearing it for the first time, no need to worry about it. No problem. You will get hand-holding support from all our faculty members as well as mentors. And if you are facing any kind of difficulty, you can directly contact me as well as our student success representative. So they will directly connect you to the mentor. They'll give you a hand-holding support, that whatever you couldn't understand, you should understand that time and rectify it that time only. Okay. And we all are starting from basics only. Don't worry. Okay. So how it works, you have to work in the project with your team, and team is very important. Learn from each other. That is very important. So your teammate might be knowing better than you what you can learn, or you might be knowing something much more better than them that they can learn from you. So everyone needs to contribute. You will get to know how people work with a team, because eventually when you are placed in a company or any other places, you have to work with the team. You have to follow some ethics of that team. Now, build bigger things. 5 people can ship what one person only dreams of. So with your team, you can build a full-fledged startup also, or you can build a full-fledged bigger project also, which can be sold in this AI market. Okay, one full AI product, I will tell you some websites and all, you can upload it and it can be sold in millions. Okay, and I am not kidding at all. I am damn serious. Okay, so with your team, you can definitely build it and you can use it for selling purpose. Stay accountable. A team waiting on you is the best motivation ever invented. So you have to be accountable. Accountable as in, see, if the entire team is working and you are being lethargic that, okay, you have been assigned a work, but you didn't do it. That's not good. That's not professional ethics. Be a team player, work on your things as well as give them the best, and that team is your family. You have to win. Simple. Very, very simple. Okay, next. Yes. So find your future teammates. How will you find your future teammates? You have to again go to menti.com. Okay. Menti.com, scan this thing. Okay. The earlier scanned thing. Did you get it? Or you can scan it now from your mobile, and I want you to answer this. What is one skill you can bring to your AI project team? It can be anything. It can be communication, it can be presentation, it can be coding, it can be mathematics, or anything. Whatever you are good at, do you know what you are good at? This is your test. One thing you have to respond that, okay, I am good at this. And this is a difficult question, I know. Teamwork, okay, teamwork. One answer I have got, teamwork. Fine, nice, very nice. Another one is collaboration. Fine, very nice. Okay. Logical part. Fine, very nice. Wow. Someone is good at combination of thoughts. Wow, nice, very nice. Someone is analytical thinking, teamwork, logical part, combination of thoughts, deep thinking. Fine, perfection. Wow. Okay, nice, very nice. Presentations. Okay, okay. Using AI along with coding. Okay, okay. Mathematics and analysis. Okay. Problem solving. Nice. So we have category of people who knows things. Okay. There are a lot of enthusiasts I can see because they know at least that they are good at this. Like I know a lot of people from you. I know Navneet. Navneet is very good in this mathematical skills and analysis and all. Definitely. Teamwork, problem solving, logical part, patience, perfection, presentation, analytical thinking, coding skills. So people are with good coding skills also, leadership quality, combination of thoughts, mathematics and analysis, use AI along with coding. Okay, okay, very nice. Help each other. Nice, very nice. So many people have responded. I think few people have not responded. Okay, okay, leadership. Nice, wow, nice. So there are leadership people also. Someone can be a captain to sail the boat. Coding skills. Nice. Nice. Very nice. So it's really nice. I got your responses. Some people are yet to respond. I think few people are yet to respond. Should I wait or we will move forward? Leadership, coding. 3 people have not responded yet. I can see here. Out of 13 people who have joined from that QR code, 10 people have responded, 3 people have not. And I don't want to tell your name to embarrass you. Okay, okay. So let's move forward to the presentation. And in the end, we will have a Q&A session, and I want you to go to a good place and switch on your videos. Okay. I can see you people. So I'll feel better if I can see you. And see, this 1 hour of session, why we have taken 45 minutes to 1 hour? Because whatever you learn that day you have to work on it. Okay. It's very important. That's why this time when you are having this session, you have to be very serious and you have to sit at one place, concentrate, put your videos on, audio on, answer to the questions, be a part of this Mentimeter thing, quiz and all. Is very important. Why? Because if you're not engaging in the session, you will get bored. Okay. Okay. So hands-on project session we are talking about. See, I have been saying this from long time that engineering is not just a reading thing. Okay. You're not going to learn from textbooks. No. Engineering is something when you do things, you learn more. Okay. While building multiple different startups and businesses, I have learned a huge number of things. So I would recommend always that you remember what you build, not what you watch. If you just see things, you will not be able to, get that hold of it. You have to do it by your own. So whenever every session is ending, there will be something what you have to do. And please, by the next session, you have to do it. Or during that time, only sit for some time and finish it off. That's my request, because we are talking about our futures. Okay. Now it is not just a joke. Now we are talking about our future, and we are talking about serious work. Now, what are this hands-on project? How will it be done? Code along every session. Okay. So every session you will have to do some coding or some deployment or something. Okay. That you have to do during that time. Be a player that is available all the time and do the things. Okay. So what they say is concept land when your finger types them, not when slide shows them. Okay. See, I will give you an example. If you remember in my classes, I always say that calculate by your own. Your calculation will become faster when you calculate by your own, not by the calculator. The same thing is being done here. You have to code by your own and check the code. AI might code for you. Definitely you can use that. But I'll recommend that you should be well versed in this whole coding aspect. Why I'm saying this? Because the final responsibilities lies on you. When you go to jobs and all, whether AI has done some wrong coding or not, doesn't matter. You are the responsible person. So you should know very well how to read that code and what is the rectification has to be done. That is very important. Please understand this. Okay. Experiment, break things. Experiment and break things. So what do we mean by that? See, the fastest learner is someone who is not afraid to do the error. You do mistakes, no problem. But attempt, do mistakes, learn from mistakes and move forward. Okay. Then you will be the fastest learner. Don't be scared of making errors. No problem at all. Just do it. Ask the silliest question. In the session, you should ask silliest question, whatever comes in your mind, no problem at all. There will be a specific Q&A session every session that you have to ask questions. Whatever comes to your mind, please ask. No problem. You are now doing engineering. You are not kids of school or PU colleges. Okay. Okay. Next thing is what? Walk away with a portfolio. Walk away with a portfolio means what? So whatever is being done during the sessions and all, you'll be deploying something that will build your portfolio. Okay. So Manasa madam will be eventually making you do this GitHub. You will have a GitHub profile, and on that you will be, putting the codes and all, and the people will assess those codes. Those things will be there. That is very, very important. You have to build a portfolio from today onwards, because you have started your journey today. Okay. And the company's people, the people who are going to hire you, or the people who are going to use your startup, if you are a startup founder, they'll look at the entire thing, that whether you are someone who has done things in a proper manner or not. Okay. Okay. Next. Now, two things which is important that you have to build your portfolio. One is LinkedIn, another one is GitHub. So GitHub will be done by the end of module first. Manasa madam will be telling you that how to make your GitHub portfolio and what codes have to be deployed, whatever has to be done, she will tell you from scratch. Okay. But LinkedIn, you can start from today only. It's like a social media stuff, but professional social media. Post your progress weekly. Small win counts a lot. Okay. So I would recommend that LinkedIn, you have to be very, very seriously taking, as well as you have to be available. Recruiters find you before you apply. So what happens on LinkedIn, recruiters, the people who are going to hire you, they will see your progress. Okay. So please be very, very vigilant on LinkedIn, as well as you have to be available on LinkedIn. You have to keep posting whatever you have done. Okay. Let's say you did some project, but you failed in it. You did some mistake in it. You did some error. That also you post that I have done some error and I've learned from that error. Okay. That's not a bad thing. Connect with mentors, speakers, and batchmates today. See, you can connect with me, you can connect with Shivam Mishra, whomsoever you got to know during this whole course program, you can connect with them on LinkedIn. And you can definitely connect with Zenwave page. Okay, we'll be posting a lot of things eventually. You can connect with me, you can connect with Shivam Mishra and all these people whom you got to know during your this AI journey. Okay, connect with them. That will build your LinkedIn. Okay, GitHub is what? LinkedIn is your story. GitHub is the proof of that story. Let's say you build some code portfolio, every project live here and there. A green commit graph speaks louder than a resume line. Let's say you built something, you posted it on your GitHub. That is the proof that you have done it. Okay. Now we will help you set up this after a week. Okay. After 10 days around, Manasa madam will help you to do that GitHub. No need to worry about that. What is GitHub, sir? I'm hearing it for the first time, or someone must be having a GitHub. That is also fine. But we will tell you how to set up it in a professional way. Okay. And by the end of the course, we will also give you a LinkedIn thing that how your LinkedIn should look like. We will tell you what to write, what not to write by the end of the course. We will tell you how to build your LinkedIn profile. Okay. But now you can definitely start by your own. Okay, next. Okay, so go to menti.com again. I'll take you there. Which do you already have? Which all things you have? LinkedIn, GitHub, whatever. So you have to take a option, scan again, and just select. Let us see how many people have what. Okay, okay. So some people doesn't have both the things. 13 responded, 3 off. Okay, okay, okay. LinkedIn. Some people have LinkedIn. Fine. LinkedIn only. Okay, okay. There's no people. GitHub people. Neither. Okay, okay. LinkedIn. Okay. GitHub only. Okay, okay. There is someone with GitHub only. Fine, fine, fine. Project on GitHub. Okay. Wow. Nice. Very nice. Can someone tell me who is that guy who has that GitHub project on the chat? Can you please tell me? Project on
It's
GitHub.
me, sir.
Abhishek. Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. Now there are 2 people who have said GitHub. Project on GitHub. Who's the other person? Neither. LinkedIn, only GitHub. Okay. Okay. That's good. That's very nice. Okay. Okay. Are you going to respond or we'll close it up? Okay. 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 Let's go back to our presentation. Let's understand what's next. Fine. So many people have answered. And see, our final goal is you should have a lot of projects on GitHub, as well as you should have a highly standard LinkedIn profile. That will make you do it. Don't worry. Okay. Next. Okay. So understand this. This is something very, very serious about the course. Okay. And we are very serious about the course, whether you are not or not, I don't know, but we are very, very serious about the course because it is about your future. Okay. And it is about your own professional career. Okay. So take it very, very seriously. We have divided this course into credits. Okay. How you have in engineering college and IITs and all, we used to have our credit system. Okay. And these credits will be assigned on your certificate, and that will be done by blockchain. How IITs certify you using blockchain management, in the similar manner, this will happen. Okay. And it will have a real value because we are not doing something, for joke. It is all very serious stuff. Now, how we have divided these credits, 16 credits will be on attendance and module completions. Okay. If you are completing the module, we have 8 modules. If you complete, that will give you 16 credits. Each module will have some credit. Let's say you finish, you don't finish till 8 module, you have done only till 7. Let's also understand it. So 8th module credit you will not get. Okay. But still, if you finish the entire certificate completion, what is the completion? At least 25% credit, 25 credits and 75% attendance is a must. Okay. Then another thing is 16 credits are given on your mini projects. There are 4 mini projects which you will be writing, and each mini project has got 4 credits. Okay. And those, if you complete in a proper manner and our instructor says that yes, that's a good project and everyone has done good, and they will also help you in doing that project, then you will get those 16 credits again. Then capstone project is the maximum massive thing. It is 18 credits, okay, where you will be doing the capstone project directly from the industry's problem statement, that we will help you how to do it, what to do. You don't need to worry about it. That will have 50, that will make a total of 50 total credits, and you don't need to worry about the credit. Just go serious about the course, just keep on doing the course in a proper manner, and you will be able to achieve maximum credit. I want everyone to get 50 out of 50 credits. Okay, just be serious for 3 months. Just evenings and nights and all you have to spend, just 1.5 hours every day, and that will fetch you a better future. That's very important. Okay. So what is the benefit, sir? If I am doing it very seriously, what am I going to get benefit? The top performer will be recognized by me and our team. Okay. The top performer will be recognized by Zenway team. Student who score more than 45 credits will be our top performers. And I will personally, and our team will personally recommend them for best of the best jobs. Okay. So that is one of the most important thing. I want everyone to get maximum, that is 50 credits in total. Okay. And see, it is just a completion thing. There is no exam going to happen. You just have to complete the things. You have to just work on it. So take it very seriously, because it is about your future. It is about your career. Let's proceed further. Next. Okay, the program guideline. Let me tell you the program guideline. First, you have to master the basics. That's why we are starting from Python fundamentals. Okay, that is very, very important. Learn it thoroughly. The foundation is very, very important, because that is something which is useful for you for your entire life. Next is what? Come prepared. How your preparation is? You have to have a laptop, definitely. You need to have your mobile phone in your hand, as well as a very good Wi-Fi internet connection. These three things are a must: laptop, mobile phone, and very good Wi-Fi connection. You don't have internet connection good and you are not able to speak, all that, that is your problem. It's not our problem. Okay. So you need to double check that whether I have good internet connection, whether my laptop is working fine, whether my mobile phone is working fine, because you have to scan a lot of times and answer on the quiz. That's very important, because this is an interactive session. This is not just another session. Another thing is what? You have to stay engaged on the Mentimeter, and the instructor will be giving quizzes. And on the Mentimeter, you have to scan every time. And see, today I have not told you your names on Mentimeter, whether you have done or not. From next time, whenever the instructor will be doing that, your name will be reflecting here. Okay. Today I specifically didn't do it, so that no one should feel embarrassed and all. But we'll be happy to make you feel embarrassed. No problem in that. If you don't answer, I'll start saying them why you didn't answer. Then I would recommend that you have to have your cameras on, because if your cameras are not on, and see, if you're bothered about your background, you can change background. If you don't know how to change background, I'll teach you. Just use that 3 dots. Just put on the 3 dots, and you will get background and effects and all. You can change. Okay. Change the background so only your face will be visible. That's more than enough for us. We don't want to see your background. We want to see your faces, whether you're learning or you're reacting to it or not. And I would recommend that please be very vigilant about all this. Be very serious about all this, because this is not a joke. You have to be a serious performer in the course, because this will reflect in your career. Again, next thing is what? Team formation. Team formation we'll do in 10 days. Okay. We will do the team formation according to your profile. Okay. We'll give you some questionnaire, and we'll take a profile of yours, what you're good at, what you're not good at, we'll get to know. So from that, we'll build a team. You don't have to build a team. We will build a team. We will make a leader and all that. who will be communicating with them. Leader does not mean that he is the sole proprietor. No, it means that he will be communicating with the other people. That's it. Communication. So team formation will be done by us, and we will be selecting according to your skills. Okay, next. Okay, so your first assignment for tomorrow. Now only you have to finish this assignment. Are you ready for it? Hello. I want an answer for this. So this
Yes,
is your
sir.
first assignment session. Okay. What do we have? Now, first assignment is you have to set up your LinkedIn. Or if you have a LinkedIn, just polish it. Add a photo, a one-line bio. In that, you have to have a very professional photo. Okay. If you are not having a professional photo in suit or something, make it using AI. Okay. And we all know how to do it, right? You can use Gemini to make a professional LinkedIn photo, no problem. Okay. And put that photo on that LinkedIn and one line bio. Whatever you are good at or whatever you have done or whatever you are enthusiastic about, just write a one line bio. Use AI maximum to define yourself. Okay. Next thing is post a short intro on LinkedIn. Okay. Anything, whatever you have done in your life till now, introduce yourself on LinkedIn. That will be your first post or first post after starting your AI journey. Okay. And you can write starting my AI journey with AI Infinity and tag us on Zenwave. You can tag me directly as well as Zenwave page. I hope you understand this. This is your first assignment. Third thing, what you have to do is you have to think about real life problem statements. One problem you would love to solve with AI. That is another assignment you have. One problem which you can think of, you can solve using AI. Think about your college, city, daily life, whatever, which can become a group project. Think about it. Okay. So this is not a graded thing, but you should do it. Okay. Because we will be monitoring all this. Fine. Okay, let's go next. Next. So thanks a lot, everyone. Now we will start the Q&A session, question answer session. If you have any question, you can directly ask me or you can put it on chat box. But before going, I want to see everyone's face. Amar, Navneet, Sushant, Pranav, all of you. Yes. Am I visible to everyone? चिराग भी है क्या? संजना, who's संजना? Hello, Mr. Navneet. How are you doing? How are you, Pranav?
I'm fine.
I'm good, sir.
Okay. Nice, very nice. Now tell me, if you have any question, please speak up.
हम लोग क्या फंसाने लगे starting में तो केस या बाल दिखाए
Yeah, tell me, yes. If you have any question, please speak up. Or you can directly put it on chat box if you are feeling shy. I know Navneet always feels shy. He doesn't ask question directly. Mr. Pranav, you can ask question. If you have. Jabardasti nahi hai. Yes, anyone has got question or we'll end it up. So tomorrow we'll catch up again, or what is it? Anyone has got any question, please speak up.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Who's this?
Yes, Ujjwal.
hello.
Mr.
Mr. Ujjwal
sir.
Ballal. Tell me, yeah.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
So, you told that in 10 days we will be put in a group and we'll start making a project.
Yes.
Then how will the project will be continuing?
So first, the minor projects will be there. Okay. Each minor project has got 4 credits. Okay.
Okay.
And our mentors will be helping you out in doing those projects. Okay. First 10 days will be majorly this basic fundamentals, and you will be building your GitHub portfolio and your LinkedIn stuff and all that. Okay. This is all very professional structure. Okay. So you have to be in the system to be that professional structure, and it'll go on. Fine. From minor projects, it will start, and whatever minor projects you are building, it will be majorly reflecting on your GitHub portfolio.
Okay.
Okay.
So we'll be
Whatever
building
credits you are
using
going to
Python.
get, whatever credits you are going to get, it will directly reflect on your blockchain wala certification. Yeah.
So we'll be building using Python because the
Yes.
first model is Python.
Yes. First model you will be building using Python. You can use AI, but you should not tell that to ma'am. Okay. Otherwise, you can use AI definitely, but don't tell ma'am. But you should know how to read the code and how to, because she'll ask questions. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. बाद में मेरे को complain ना है कि आपका student लोग ऐसा है. Yes. Next. Any question? Navneet. Yes. Any other question? None. So we'll wind up.
1 second. I want everyone to look at the cameras. We'll take a picture.
नवनीत तेरा फोटो आएगा नहीं गांगुली सुशांत we have very less female representation. India is still very.
Where is Amar? Where is Chirag? Pragya Mishra.
Yeah. Okay. I hope you have taken the picture. Yes. Okay. See, I want everyone to be very serious about all this, okay? Because this is going to be our future. Please be very serious, okay? This is my request to all of you. Don't deny, because I'll be available in every session. I'll share a phone number and email ID and all. Whatever queries you have, you can directly tell it to them, okay? And I hope you all have my phone number. You can directly tell me. Fine. Whenever you get any complication. Fine. Ujjwal Ballal samajh raha hai na? If anyone doesn't have my number, please take it from each other. Okay. Yes. We are good to go. We'll wind up here. Okay. So best of luck, everyone. I want everyone to be placed in NVIDIA's. Okay. Samajh raha hai kya? Bye. Bye guys. Have fun.
Yeah, good.